Welcome to opencode for beginners. If you have used ChatGPT or Gemini, but you have never used an AI coding agent, you are in the right place. Welcome. Together, we will learn what AI coding agents are, and how to use one well. You do not need to be a developer. You do not need any tools beyond a laptop. And you can follow along entirely on free models, without paying for any AI subscription. Every idea comes with a small hands-on practice, so what you learn actually sticks. So, is this for you? If you have used a chatbot like ChatGPT, Gemini, or Copilot, but you have never used an AI agent, yes, this is for you. You do not need to be a developer. You do not need to know how a terminal works. You just need curiosity, and a willingness to learn what is actually happening when you talk to an AI. Opencode is an AI agent that lives on your computer. It is open source, free to use, and free to read. It can read your files, edit them, run commands, and look things up for you. It works with any model you choose, Claude, GPT, Gemini, or a model running locally on your laptop. And it comes with free models, so you can start without paying anyone anything. Here is the single most important idea we will explore together. A chatbot, like ChatGPT in a browser, only talks back. It cannot touch your files. An agent, like opencode, has hands. It can read your files, change them, run programs, and look things up on your behalf. Once that distinction clicks, everything else about AI agents follows naturally. By the end of our journey, you will be able to explain AI, tokens, context windows, and hallucinations to a friend at the kitchen table. You will know how to prompt well, using roleplay, examples, and what we call the interview me pattern. You will drive opencode with confidence, plan mode, build mode, and the safety net of /undo. You will ground its answers in your own research. And you will build and share a tiny project of your own. Your journey has a clear shape. We will begin with what AI actually is, tokens, context, hallucinations, and how grounding keeps an LLM honest. From there, we will meet agents in opencode, and learn how to prompt well. Then we install opencode and start using it daily, building real confidence. We will explore grounding with your own research notes. We will extend opencode with skills and MCP servers. And we will finish with a tiny project of your own, something you can share. Here is a spoiler we will come back to often. AI is software, not magic. It is trained on a lot of human writing. It predicts the next word, one piece at a time. It is not alive. It is not aware. It is not a brain in any meaningful sense. And once you know how it actually works, you stop being intimidated by it, and start being powerful with it. Everything we do here works on a free model. Opencode ships with several free models built in, and they are enough for the whole journey. Paid models are an upgrade, bigger, sometimes smarter, sometimes faster, but they are never required. For full disclosure, I use GLM 5.2 from Z.ai myself. Z.ai does not sponsor this, and there is no affiliation. It is just my personal choice. One idea we will spend real time on is grounding. Hallucinations are an LLM's biggest weakness, they sound confident even when they are wrong. Grounding is the cure. We will build a personal research vault using a free note app called Obsidian, search it with a tool called QMD, and feed that research into opencode. The result is an agent that answers from your research, not just from patterns it learned during training. Once opencode is on your machine, you make it yours. Use /new to start a fresh session for a new topic. Use /session to come back to something you were working on before. Make mistakes, that is how this works. The only prerequisite is curiosity. Where should you begin? If AI, tokens, and LLMs are completely new to you, start by learning what AI actually is. If you already know AI basics, jump straight into agents and opencode. Visit opencode.ai anytime to read more. And take it at your own pace, there is no rush. Thanks for spending this time with me. Let us begin.